What's up, YouTube? What's going on, CCI family? It's your main man back with the game plan once again, because, yeah, you already know. Can't leave you out there too long without no education and information, you feel me? So, I told you the AI talk was coming about the data centers. Here it is, you feel me? So, number one, AI is not just about chips. Get that out your mind. It's about keeping these chips cool, though. You feel me? And one company just locked that in with a $180 million deal, and that's none other than Modine Manufacturing. You hear me talk about them time and time again, and I'm not going to get off them, because when you're not hearing anybody talk about them, that's when they're doing something. When you hear them talking about them everywhere, it's already too late. Number one rule in the market, you feel me? So Modine might just be that sleeper stock, okay, in the AI infrastructure. All right, but is this real? Like a real breakout? Or is it this just HVAC hype? You feel me? We about to break that down. All right, let's get into it now.
Hey CCI family, welcome back to the next episode of Chump Change Investments. Now let's break down why are data centers the new gold mines? Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, stream a movie, or run a cloud app, somewhere a data center is working overtime. And those servers? They run hot. Cooling them efficiently is now a billion-dollar business. Data center cooling is projected to hit $2 billion by 2027, growing at nearly 12% annually. Power usage effectiveness, or PUE, is the key metric. The lower it is, the more efficient your center. And cooling tech directly impacts that. This isn't just about comfort, it's about cost, uptime, and ESG compliance. And that's where Modine comes in. Modine just secured $180 million in orders from a major AI infrastructure developer. That's not a fluke, it's part of a bigger pivot. They've expanded their Airedale line, acquired Climate by Design and Absolute Air, and invested $100 million into new facilities in Virginia and Mississippi. Their modular CRAC and CRH systems are built for edge centers and hyperscalers alike. They're also pushing into free cooling tech and AI-integrated thermal analytics, making them more than just a parts supplier. This is a full-stack cooling play, and it's happening right here in the U.S. Now Modine isn't alone. Let's talk competitors. Vertiv VRT is the hyperscaler darling, with deep ties to Meta and Amazon. Johnson Controls JCI has legacy HVAC dominance but is pivoting hard into data centers. Carrier Global Car is diversified but making moves in edge cooling. Modine's edge? Agility, U.S. manufacturing, and a laser focus on AI infrastructure. They're not trying to be everything. They're trying to be the best at this. Investor takeaways. Modine's Q2 sales jumped 102% year over year. Operating margins hit 12.5%. That's not just growth, it's profitable growth. Risks? Sure. Hyperscalers could build in-house. Cheaper overseas competition could undercut. But the upside? AI boom, reshoring tailwinds, and ESG mandates that favor efficient cooling. This isn't just a trade, it could be a trend. So, is Modine the next NVIDIA-adjacent play? Or just a smart HVAC pivot? If you believe AI infrastructure is the next frontier, Modine might be your stealth pick. Drop a comment if you're heating up on mod or cooling off. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Chump Change Investments for more deep dives into the stocks powering the future. Also keep up daily now on Chump Change Invests on IG. Now back to the studio.
All right, so once again, there you have it. That's Modine in a nutshell, along with some of the others. Now, like I said, don't get it twisted. Modine is not the only one in the data center cooling industry. However, that's the one I'm riding with. You do your own research, your own due diligence. Now, me personally, I'm riding with Modine because, hey, they've been in the industry for over 100 years. Okay? Most of us won't even keep a job for 5 years. If we're there for 10, you can't tell us nothing about the job. They've been in it for 100. Okay? Their stock is, to me, impeccable. Okay? They had their ups and downs. They settled a lot of things out. They've been crushing earnings. They're up this year tremendously. I'm going to run with Modine. Do your own research into them, though. All right, so as of close on Friday, Modine is sitting at $153.79 per share, okay? Down about 4% on the day. No biggie, okay? The whole entire market was down. All right. Yeah, after hours was sitting up about 0.20%. Okay, again, no great biggie. The big thing is what they've been doing throughout the entire stretch. All right. And if you take a look here, on the year, we're up about 13.5%. Okay. And if you look at this beautiful chart here, it looks like a half a moon. We were up, we came down, where the smart thing would have been to double down. I kind of did. I sold some, got in at a better price, and rode it back up. Okay. Which is what you want to see your stocks do. Revisit all-time highs and surpass them. And that's exactly what they did. I couldn't ask for more. All right. Taking a look at the 3-month, we're up about 60%. You feel me? So again, do your own research though. But this is a beautiful thing. All right. But as you see, I never gatekeep. I give you the information on quite a few. If you peeped into my IG reels as well, I mentioned some other names in the industry as well. So again, do your own research. Always do your own research, okay? Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a lover of the game, and I'm just trying to give the game to everyone else. And I hope you ride with me. I hope you're liking. I hope you're subscribing. And please, send your comments and questions. This is a community. Let's answer and grow and learn together. Simple as that, okay? All right. All right, so stand in line with respect for time. I want to thank you all for joining me for this episode of Chump Change Investments. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, send those comments in. Let's start talking, okay? Next time, it's been about 2 weeks, so we're going to put up a glimpse of the blueprint portfolio. Tell me how y'all doing on your portfolios, okay? So wishing you a blessed week ahead, a financially successful week ahead. This is Chump Change saying, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.